Hi everybody, my name is Cindy. Today I will be doing my very first ever unboxing. Woo! I am so excited to show you guys what I bought. Also, I will be discussing my September book haul. Last week I did some purchases on Book Outlet, and these came on Tuesday, and I wasn't able to open them yet because I got busy with work and so much going on in my life. So I wanted to unbox these packages right in front of you guys. So let's begin. This was my first package. I believe there's like 3 books in here. I bought my handy scissors. Let's see what's in here. Packaging paper and more packaging paper. Oh my god, it's going on and on. Let's see. The Winner's Curse by Marie Roski. This is the first book in the Winner's Curse series. I have heard some amazing review about this. People compare this to the Hunger Game. The order form, voice. Siege and Storm. Also, Ruins and Rising by Lech Bardugo. I am sorry if I butcher up your last name and your whole name. Yeah, these were impulse buy because once again I heard some great reviews about these books on actually Goodreads. So I was like, what the heck, might as well buy it because the deal on Book Outlet was so good. Also, this series is actually a trilogy, so this book is actually the last book in the series, and this is actually the second book. And so I did an impulse buy on this. Next packaging, this. This is the one packaging I always have a hard time dealing with because it's kind of like an envelope. Oh my god, I have a hard time cutting this, tearing this. Oh my god. Okay. Got it. Oh, I see it. So, first one. Oh my god. The Winner's Crime by Marie Roski. The second book in the Winner's Curse series. Yes, I bought this book on Book Outlet. This book actually came out recently this year and I was so surprised. It was on Book Outlet, so I was like, what the heck, might as well buy this book and this book, so I will be all caught up on this series that people are raving about on Goodreads. Last book, Shadow and Bone by Bardugo. I'm sorry if I butcher up your name. This is book 1 to this trilogy, so I actually bought this whole series on Book Outlet on just a spontaneous buy. The last book I bought in September was Just 1 Year by Gail Foreman. This is a sequel to Just One Day by Gail Foreman. So if you remember, I bought this book a while back but had not started reading yet. And I somehow bought the Kindle edition of Just 1 Year because it was just a really good deal on Amazon. So I was like, what the heck? So those are the books I bought in September. Have you guys read this series? Let me know what you think. Oh my god. I will see you soon, guys, in an upcoming video. Bye!